Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! So in this video I wanted to go over resolutions, and I don't tend to stick to resolutions all that much, and when I try to find something that I say, okay, I can definitely do all year, I've got this. So I have a few tips and tricks to sticking to my resolutions, at least. If you have any resolutions and any ideas on how you're gonna stick with them, comment down below. Okay, had to put the squeak toy away because that's all she seems to want to play with right now. So my first resolution is drinking more water. Now, not only is drinking more water one of my resolutions, but not drinking like soda or juice or iced tea. I'm trying to stay away from all of that and just drink water. It's wasted calories, to be honest, and I've never really felt good after I drink a big soda. I definitely cut back a whole lot on drinking Diet Coke and iced tea and Snapple, but one way that I try to stick to it is by getting water bottles. So these are just my go-to water bottle. I also have a whole cabinet drawer full of them. But what I like to do is when I feel myself not drinking as much water as I should be, I love to go on Amazon or Etsy or any local store and get a new water bottle. Now this one comes in a bunch of different colors and a bunch of different sizes. So I have a pink one and a black one. The black one is the larger of the two. It's, I believe, 22 ounces. So right here it says, I don't know if you can see, but it says that it is 22 ounces, and I just kind of go by how many I can drink in a day. I don't try to overwhelm myself with too many, but this is where it's been at. I had a Yeti. I love my Yeti, especially to keep the ice cold. So I use the Yeti during the summer, but definitely during the winter. I love these, and they're glass. So, and then this is just like a silicone piece, so it doesn't slide all over whatever countertop you put it on. But that's, and then this is the pink one. It's very similar. It just doesn't have the markings anywhere on it. But yeah, those are two great options. I will link them down below. I got them off of Amazon. And yeah, so that's how I plan to drink more water this year. What are you doing? You always want to be on camera, huh? Yeah. This one is spoiled. Okay, we really want to be on camera. Do you want to show them what mommy's next resolution is? Okay. My next resolution is reading. Ever since I stopped school, I feel like reading has just gone down the drain, and anytime I have to read something, I feel like it's a hassle. And I don't want to have to read, I'm not asking to read these hard books. I just want something that's like an easy, light read that I can do before bed. And it's also kind of combining my two, is I want to get off of my phone before I go to bed and when I wake up. So I figured reading a book is like a nice way to kind of wind down. Reading a book is kind of a nice way to wind down at the end of the day instead of scrolling through any kind of social media. So the first book that I have that I'm gonna read is Capital Gains. I'm sure we all know Chip and Joanna. So my mom, I think, actually someone got me this book 2 Christmases ago, not this past Christmas, but last Christmas, and it has yet to be read. So I'm gonna start off with this one. So I definitely wanted to start reading. I actually have a stack of other books that I wanted to read as well. And if you have any suggestions for light reads, also leave them in the comments below because I will be looking for different books to read. I wanted to stay off of my phone a little bit more. I don't know if you guys have this, but on the iPhones, I get like a notification that tells me what my screen time is for the week and if it's gone down from last week or up. And lately it has been going up. And I don't like that. And I just feel like I'm spending too much time in front of a computer or an iPad or an iPhone or anything. So I just feel like if I'm able to stay off of my phone, Sky. So I feel like if I'm able to stay off of my phone and read a book, whether I write before I go to bed and write when I wake up or one or the other, I'll feel a lot better and it'll just be a little bit less screen time. I mean, I'm the kind of person that needs sound when I fall asleep, so I do leave the TV on, which I know is a really bad thing, but I just wanted to be able to kind of cut one of the screens out of my life. Okay, so my next resolution is that I want to get more into self-care. I feel like last year I kind of branched into, okay, I should really be doing my skincare routine every single night. I should be washing my face every night and taking my makeup off, which, you know, it's a difficult one. Yeah. But I definitely want to get more into it. And that being said, I have my drawers all lined up with everything that I need. I started getting into more serums. I take the time to do a face mask every once in a while. I take the time to go get my nails done every once in a while. And that just makes me feel a little bit better about myself. So another one of my resolutions is to write down like a to-do list for the day or even just the week. If I have some major things that I need to get done, I find that if I physically like write them down with a notebook and a pen, then I will tend to get it done and I'll be able to cross it off. I just got this notepad from HomeGoods. And then I got these pens. I think Cody's mom got them for me. I think they're a Lauren Conrad from Kohl's and they're super cute. But I find that if I get fun like stationery ideas, that will motivate me to write down what I need, and it will motivate me to complete everything on that list. And you can just find anything. I mean, Amazon has so many ideas if you can't get out to a store right now. Target has a bunch of cute things you can do, a drive up, as well as HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, things like that. So my final New Year's resolution, I think, or I guess they kind of two more. So I want to work out more, and I find that if I can work out a little bit more, I will feel a little bit better about my body. And right now I don't feel as great as I could feel about it. And it's not that, oh, I'm not this specific size, oh, I'm not, you know, this specific look. It's more of how I feel right now, because I find that when I do work out every day and I'm eating healthy and I'm eating the right foods and I'm fueling my body the right way that it wants to be fueled, I find that I feel so much better. I'm not going to bed feeling bloated or sick or, oh my god, I ate too much food, why did I eat that whole pizza? But I find that if I do a workout every day, even if it's just going outside for a walk with Sky, then it just makes me feel better, and I won't have to feel so sluggish and slow, which brings me to my next resolution, is eating healthier. I have been always saying every time I'm like, okay, Monday I'm going to start eating healthier. Monday I'm going to cut out all of the junk food in my diet. And I realized that that's just not the way things should go for me. I find that if, okay, I want to have a handful or a serving size of chocolate. My weakness is Dove. There's also many other weaknesses like Ben & Jerry's and all the good snacks. I find that if I cut things out completely before, it never worked for me. I was never able to do it. I was never able to stick with it because it's so unrealistic. I just feel like so many people get stuck. And I think that if I can fit everything that I need to fit into my diet and I can still have a little fun with it, then that all works. Thank you guys so much for watching and listening to my New Year's resolutions. I love watching these videos and getting new ideas from different people on different New Year's resolutions. So if you have any resolutions that you're having trouble sticking to or new ones that you are a little bit worried about, comment down below and I will be responding to all of them. I'm just so excited to put 2020 behind us and start 2021. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.